bioactive collagen peptides. This is the perfect molecular size, 2 kilodaltons. That's why look at this study by the Collagen Research Institute, our brand. Compared to the next collagen peptide, doble yung collagen na pumapasok sa katawan mo. And if you're not using a collagen peptide, wala na talagang collagen. Kaya nga, walang naniniwala if you're taking those other brands. That's why our collagen is nothing compared to anything in the market. It is patented. You can't find it anywhere because of the bioactive collagen peptides it's produced in your body. It even has lutein to act as a shield to protect all the collagen and phytoceramides to strengthen and give you more moisturization. And that's not all. Kapag ginamit nyo yung collagen with the existing new skin products, mas amplified yung effects because they are better together, especially with the LumiSpa. Look at these results. Clinical study in 4 months. When you combine them, mas amplified yung results. And I'm sharing that. Kasi kung magastos kayo ngayon with all these products for your skin, lahat mga derma treatments, ang tanong meron bang nakakapansin? Kasi yun yung masaklap. Yung gumagastos kayo, so walang nakakapansin. Bakit pa kayo gumagastos? Di ba? Bakit pa naman bibili ng product? Bakit pa kayo gumagamit? Nagpapagod. Here, in as fast as 7 days, you will literally see the difference. Amazing results. Clinically proven, hindi yan hearsay. And this is third party. Another company did the clinical study. And companies don't do that. That's how much we trust the products. You will see the result. That's why your money really goes to where it should belong. You will see jaw-dropping, show-stopping results in as fast